the past few trading days in the Dow, after the Dow dropped with a bearish left-right combo all the way down to the 200-day moving average, we could see where the buyers were stepping in and had the added confirmation that the bullish Harami told us the selling had stopped, followed by kind of a hammer signal, and then the positive trading today took us to our first logical target up here to the 50-day moving average on the Dow. The NASDAQ was even more bullish in the sense that it did a hammer, bullish engulfing gap up and brought the trading back up through the 50-day moving average as well as the T-line, making the prospect of eventually coming back up to this level, the next likely target. The fact that they closed above the T-line, if they can stay above the T-line, puts us back in the mode that the uptrend is back in progress. Tesla was recommended as a buy because of the bullish left-right combo, a very strong reversal signal. A bullish left-right combo is a doji followed by a bullish engulfing signal. You add the aspects of that it did this right off the 50-day moving average, followed by a gap up through the T-line, as well as stochastics being in the oversold area, and it did it right at the same level that it bottomed out a couple weeks ago. This just dramatically improves the probabilities that the new uptrend could be coming back up to this level, filling the gap, as well as the potential of coming up and getting back into the existing trend channel. Other big traders like Amazon, notice how this gap down started in the downtrend, and remember what the Japanese rice traders have illustrated for us. Where do most people sell? They panic sell at the bottom. Notice the doji hammer, the bullish engulfing in Amazon, all here at the 200-day moving average, followed by a positive open in the oversold area, bringing you back up to the first logical target, the T-line. If it breaks through there, the next target will be the 50-day moving average. And that, not in itself being a trade, but if they're trading Amazon positive, that means the investor sentiment of the whole market is starting to turn back positive again. Being able to analyze if the markets have bottomed out and should be trading positive puts us in situations where we can analyze the scoop pattern. PTLA was recommended based upon the fact that it did a bullish engulfing, a doji sandwich, telling you there's additional upside. The fact that they gapped it up through what we consider the handle of the scoop tells us there's a high probability there's going to be a slingshot effect to the upside. Being able to analyze what's happening in a chart pattern based upon investor sentiment allows us to accurately assess what's going on in the overall market and then be able to position our trades in the direction of what the market is moving. With that, everybody have a good day. We'll see you in the chat rooms.